Smoke it. Smoke it.
Anything?
No, bro.
Check by the spark plugs on this side, bro, on the driver's side.
I do. Look, it's coming out of this thing, bro.
What thing?
This thing. Coming out of here.
It's coming out of the AGR?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's bad then.
Let me see.
I'm gonna keep pumping, right?
Do it fast.